Here's my next project for all you 2JZ BMW people, projects people, all my people. It's a 08 650i. I bought it from a shop with a missing transmission and a bad engine. The customer didn't pay for it, so they left it, so they obtained the title, and I purchased it from this shop. It's been sitting around a long time. It has under 100,000 miles on it, which is good. It's been sitting around and getting water in it, so it smells a bit like mildew. I'll have to address that. I already pulled the engine. Here we're gonna have a 2JZ GTE and probably CD009 transmission. Not sure on the rear end yet, but initially I'm going to clean everything up. I need to replace the windshield. I need to fix the dash, thoroughly clean the interior, mark and label all the wiring, make sure all the computer systems, BMW specific, are all operational. And yeah, that's my next project. What's up, YouTube? I want to show you the new addition to my vehicle, my project car, my 2JZ BMW. Yeah, installed a koi pond. Pretty cool. So I'm gonna get some probably turtles and some koi fish. So I guess my first job here is gonna be to clear the drains so the koi pond doesn't show up again. Okay, I took out the see that hole right there. That's where this boot fits in. This is the drain and it's clogged up. There's a little flap. So I'm gonna clean this out real good and put it back. And then I'll do the other side as well. So I went ahead and jacked up the car so the water would retreat to the back here. It worked so far. It's a lot of water that moved into the back. So I'm gonna vacuum that out as well. Here's both my seats out of the car. They're actually in really good condition, except both the backs came off. So what I have to do is I have to glue these hooks back on. The good thing is the imprints are there, so that way it'll set right in place. I don't have to measure or guess. I'll take this panel off and then I'll spray some glue on here and clamp it down for a while. Let it reattach. Then I can put these back on, good as new. Seats out of the car. Now I can take this center console out and this back half of the carpet out. And there was a lot of water in here for a long time, so I'm going to disinfect and clean it up real good. Shampoo the hell out of it. Center console out of here. There I am removing the stuff in the center here and the carpet and all that crap. There's the carpet. As you see, I still have water in the floorboard. But you know what? I don't think I'll have to remove the front carpet because the water usually in these cars travels to the back. This OEM sound deadener is just kind of like pulling right off. See that?
So I'll remove all that, clean it up real good and put some new stuff down.
So I got somebody who wants to trade some BBSs for these. I'm gonna sell them though, but they're worth more than these, so that's why I'm gonna go ahead and take them off and do the trade, and then sell the I think they're 18-inch BBSs for like an E90.
There's a helicopter again looking for top secret garage. So I want to thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, especially if you want to follow my build. It's not just an engine build, it's going to be a total car build. I'm modifying the body, I'm putting a build 2 JZ in there, a lot of electronics. I'm an electronics guy. Car computer, version number 2. My version 1 is my e60. If as shown here.
So to follow this 2JZ BMW build and other exciting projects, go ahead and subscribe if you would. I'd really appreciate it, and you won't regret it. Promise. This is Projects Pat, signing out. Have a nice day. Bye.